Hi, I'm Thomas. Today, I want to talk about something crucial for every garage owner: the importance of timely vehicle ramp rope replacement. Maintaining your vehicle lift is essential for ensuring both safety and functionality in your garage. Regularly replacing worn ropes and cables can prevent accidents and avoid additional expenses. Different types of lifts, like four-post systems, can affect the cost of these replacements. And remember, these costs involve both labor and materials. But don't worry, making these timely replacements not only boosts safety but can also save you money by reducing the need for more significant equipment upgrades later on. Visible metal fatigue and rust are also urgent signs that a replacement is needed. When replacing garage ropes, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's guidelines closely. Ensure you've got all the necessary tools, identify the lift style, and prepare accordingly. Disconnect the electricity supply and make sure everything is set before starting the process. After the replacement, always conduct a test run without load and listen for any odd noises to ensure everything is working properly. Using the right tools for the repair, like a hydraulic jack and a torque wrench, plays a big role in keeping the lift equipment safe and reliable. Following a regular maintenance routine ensures your equipment stays dependable, minimizing hazards in your shop. For a more detailed guide and additional tips, make sure to read the full article linked in the description. Thanks for watching.